Welcome students, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. This is my new video of class 3rd and your chapter is chapter 5, more about paint, and today's topic is the rest of the topics that are left in your book, that is creating more colors, that is given on your book page number 66, and working with the view tab, that is given on your book page number 67. So we start. Creating more colors. If you want, you can create more colors by clicking on the edit colors button. The steps are as follows. Click on the edit colors button in the colors group. The edit colors dialog box will appear. Select a basic color from the basic color selections. Drag the slider up or down to get a lighter or darker shade of the color, and then click on the OK button. The color will appear in the colors group. You can click on the add a custom colors button to add a color in the custom colors section of the edit colors dialog box. So how we can creating more colors? All that colors are available in paint, also available very easily. It available, and if you want to edit more colors, then how we can? Click on the edit colors button in the colors group. In the colors group, look here. First you open the paint, and in that colors group, this is the edit color button. You have to click on that edit colors button. When the edit colors dialog box will appear, okay, and now select a basic color from the basic color options. These are the basic colors. You have to select that basic color, okay, and drag the slider up or down to get a lighter or darker shade of the color. So that is the slider. If you want to lighter shade or darker shade, look here student, that will be shade will change. If we have to move that slider, darker, that will be lighter. Okay, so which type of color you want, then you have to easily change the colors shade, okay, and then you have to click on the OK button. Look here, the colors come here. This color is came here. If you want to edit, look, that is the blanks, okay. If you want to more colors, then I will show you again. Click on that edit colors, and which type of shade you want, then you want to add this, and much darker you want, then you have to move that slider, and then okay, look here, that color will also appear on your roof, okay. And you can click on that add custom colors to add a color in the custom color sections. That will look here, custom colors. If you want to add lighter shade, look here, add custom color. That is very easy. So you can easily edit the colors, which darker shade or lighter shade you want, then you have to select a color and drag that slider up and down to move this darker or lighter shade of that color, and then click on that OK button. The colors came on that edit colors group, okay student. That is very easy. You have to practice it, and look, use of that. If I draw anything, want to check that color, that shade was very easy. Okay students, that is the way you can edit the colors. Now working with view tab. The view tab of paint contains commands to change the view size of the images in the drawing area. It also has commands to show or hide parts of the paint window. The zoom in button increases the image size and give us a closer view of the image. This helps us to work with the smaller areas of the image. The zoom out button decreases the image size and give us a distant view of the drawing or image, okay. The 100% button, when clicked, takes the image back to its normal size from any zoomed state, and the full screen button on the display group shows the image in the full screen mode. Remember students, options given in show or hide group of the view tab help us to show or hide rulers, grid lines and status bar in the paint window, okay. So I will show all that things how So the working with the view tab, in this we can zoom in or zoom out our drawings. Zoom in means to increase the size, zoom out means to decrease the size of that image. 100% is the normal view, and full screen, on that full screen only you want to see the picture. And how it will happen, then show, look, that is the view. Click on that view button, and now look, this is the zoom in, zoom out, 100% and full screen. First I show you full screen. That is very, look, only that pictures will appear, not any menu is there, not anything, only that picture. That is the full screen view. And if you click again, then you come back on that normal view once again. That is the full screen view. Okay, and if you want to go back on that view, then you have to click mouse anywhere, then you have to come back. Okay, now zoom in to increase that size. Look, I will increase the size, image size. Okay, this is the zoom in. Okay students, and from zoom in you have to come on that normal view, then you have to click on that 100%. Look, from zoom in you have to come on normal view, then you have to click on that 100%. Zoom out, look, to decrease the size, and you have to come on normal view, then you have to click on that 100%. Okay, so that is very easy. This is the view tab. Through this we can increase the image size and give us a closer view. If you want to decrease the size and give that a distant view, and if you want to full screen, then you have to click on, and if you want to normal, then you have to click on 100%. Okay, and one thing is also status bar. Status bar is showing here. This is the status bar. Where is that pixel size and all that things? It is the checkbox. If I have to uncheck, look, that status bar gone. You have to click on that. And if you want to show rulers, then click. Rulers are also came here. And if you want to show the grid lines, then you have to click on that grid lines. That type of graph type of image. Okay, this is the grid lines. Through this you have to easily select it. Okay, and if you want to erase this, then you have to click unchecked. Okay, unchecked. So this is the very easy way working with the view tab. Through this we can view the image in a closer view, in a distant view, whatever we want. Okay, so today I will show you how we can creating more colors in the edit colors group and viewing the tab in the zoom in, zoom out, 100% and full screen view. Okay students, I think all of you understand. Once again I will show you how we edit the colors. You have to click on that edit colors button, and then which type of color you want, select that color. If you want that lighter shade or gray, whatever shade, then you have to move the slider and then click on that OK button. That color will appear on that. Okay, that is very easy. And if you want to working with the view tab, it is also very easy. You have to click on that view tab, and then if you want to zoom in, then you have to click. If you want to zoom more, then you have to click again, and if you want to come back in normal view, then you have to click the 100%. Okay, and if you want to zoom out, decrease the size, then you have to click again, that will be so smaller. And if you want to come back in normal, then you have to click on that 100%. Okay, and if you want to full screen view, then you have to click that full screen. And if you want to come back from normal, then you have to click with mouse anywhere you have to click. Okay, and that is the rulers. And if you want to not rulers, then you have to unchecked. If you want to present the grid lines, then you have to click on that. And if you want to not present, then you have to unchecked. Okay, and the status bar is also shown here. You have to if you want to hide that status bar, then you have to unchecked. If you want to show, then check. Okay, so this is the very easy way. Through this you can add the colors, add the working with the tab. So students, that is the explanation of that chapter is over now, and this is the rest recall. All that points are summarized here. Okay, so I think all of you understand properly. So all that explanation of that chapter 5 is over, and so now we will start our exercises. Okay, that is given on your book page number 68 and 69. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.